The perfect palette. Designing with Grey Owl and Hale Navy. Imagine stepping into a Parisian apartment where every wall whispers quiet sophistication. You don't need a sane view to capture that effortless French charm. Let me introduce you to a color combination that works like magic. Benjamin Moore's Grey Owl for walls, Hale Navy as your accent, and Chantilly Lace on trim. Ready to transform your space without a full renovation? Grey Owl is not just another gray. It's a warm, versatile hue that shifts beautifully with natural light. Pair it with Hale Navy, and suddenly your room gains depth like a well-loved novel. Then there's Chantilly Lace, crisping up every door and baseboard for that clean, tailored look. Here's the secret. This palette works in any home, not just a Haussmann-era building. Picture soft mornings with gray walls glowing gently, then evenings where navy accents feel cozy and grounded. Why do I love this combo? Because it's both timeless and fresh, never fussy or boring. Over the next few minutes, we'll walk through every room, from entryway to garden with practical, friendly advice. Grab a cup of coffee, and let's design your Parisian-inspired haven. Welcome back to Freshco Graphics. Whether you're a returning viewer or joining us for the first time, we're thrilled to have you. Subscribe now for captivating insights into home and interior design. Start strong with your foyer. It's the handshake of your home, after all. Paint those walls in Grey Owl, and suddenly a cramped hallway feels airy. Have a slim console table? Try a coat of Hale Navy on its legs or front panel. Hang a vintage mirror with a Chantilly lace frame to bounce light around. Don't forget the floor. A black and white checkerboard tile would be trace chic. Finally, stash a woven basket under the table for keys and scarves, effortless and neat. Imagine sinking into a navy velvet sofa against gray owl walls. For a bold move, paint the fireplace surround or built-in bookshelves in Hale Navy. Keep your window trims gleaming with Chantilly lace to frame outdoor views like a picture. Layer in natural textures, a jute rug, linen curtains, maybe a rattan pendant light. What about artwork? Giant black and white photographs pop perfectly against these muted tones. End with gold or brass accents. Think lamp bases and candle holders for that final Parisian sparkle. You want a sleep sanctuary, not a circus, right? Stick with gray owl on 3 walls. Make the wall behind your bed a dramatic Hale Navy accent. Instant coziness. Dress the bed in crisp white linens, channeling that Chantilly lace vibe, plus a navy throw. Swap boring nightstands for antique brass or mirrored ones to catch the light. Keep the ceiling white Chantilly lace again, to push the eye up and make the room feel taller. Finally, add a single fresh flower in a small vase on the windowsill. Simple. Hosting dinner parties? This palette will have your guests lingering for hours. Paint the walls gray owl, then go bold with Hale Navy on the ceiling. Yes, the ceiling. It's unexpected and wraps the room like a stylish hat. Your dining chairs could be upholstered in navy fabric, or just use navy placemats. A Chantilly lace buffet or sideboard anchors the space without competing. Light a few taper candles in silver holders, and voila, instant Parisian bistro energy. Kitchens can feel cold, but gray owl cabinets change that completely. Prefer open shelving? Paint the shelves in Hale Navy for a pop of color behind your white dishes. Use Chantilly lace on the upper walls or backsplash tiles to keep things bright. Consider a navy range hood as your statement piece. Functional art. Brass pulls and faucets tie back to the living room's gold accents for continuity. A small vase of lavender on the counter seals the French country meets city feel. Small bathrooms often get neglected, but this palette shines in tight spots. Paint the walls gray owl, then choose a Hale Navy vanity. Worried about dark colors making it smaller? The navy vanity anchors rather than shrinks. Wrap the tub or shower surround in white subway tile with Chantilly lace grout. Hang a simple round mirror with a thin white frame. No bulky dark wood here. Toss in a striped cotton rug and a bar of French milled soap for the final touch. Now step outside. Your building's face deserves its own classic Parisian charm. Go with a soft limestone cream or off-white stucco for that timeless houseman look. Want contrast? Paint the shutters in a muted sage green or deep charcoal, never too bright. Keep the front door a handsome dark wood stain or a subtle oxblood red for warmth. Wrought iron railings and balcony details in matte black add instant old-world character. Even a simple address number and aged brass ties everything together beautifully. Whether you have a courtyard, balcony, or tiny terrace, think relaxed French greenery. Use weathered stone pavers or light gravel underfoot to keep things airy. Terracotta pots in soft orange-brown hold lavender, rosemary, or boxwood hedges. A small bistro set in black or dark green invites morning coffee outdoors. Climbing ivy or jasmine on a trellis softens walls without needing paint at all. Finish with warm string lights or a single lantern, never harsh floodlights, for that magical evening glow.